To replace the oil filter in your vehicle, you will need a properly selected oil filter, a socket wrench. Its size and type depends on the head of the screw on the oil pan, spanners for the oil filter, or alternatively a ring spanner or an open-ended spanner. You'll also need nitrile rubber gloves, an appropriate oil, safety glasses and a funnel. The replacement should be started by jacking the vehicle up and locating the oil pan. We have to unscrew the drain plug on the oil pan using a socket wrench. The final stage of unscrewing the drain plug is best done by hand. The engine oil must be drained into a container and disposed of in accordance with all legal and regulatory requirements. After all the oil has been drained, we can focus on the filter itself. Unscrew the used oil filter counterclockwise using a special oil filter wrench. Be careful and expect some oil leakage here as well. It's time for the new filter. It should always be properly matched to the vehicle based on the manufacturer's catalogue. The oil filter should be lubricated before fixing. Apply a little oil to its gasket. Never use solid lubricants. Clean the mounting base sealing surface before you screw the new filter on, and make sure no old gaskets are stuck to the base. Now screw on the new Filtron filter clockwise. Spin the filter on until the gasket touches the engine mounting base. Then tighten the filter by making 3/4 of a turn. Before replacing the screw in the oil pan, replace the gasket. Pry out the old one with a screwdriver. Alright, apply a new gasket. Wipe the oil drain hole and screw the drain plug in. Just a few more turns. OK, tighten it with a socket wrench. Since we've done that, put the car back down. Pour in the new engine oil after making sure it's the right oil for this car. Never overfill or underfill the engine oil, and remember to regularly check the oil level with a dipstick. If everything is okay, replace the oil cap. Start the car to check whether the oil or the engine indicator lights are showing any abnormalities. We should check for oil leaks after starting the car. Turn off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to cool down. Now check its level again. As you can see, everything is fine. So let's go!